Hey guys, how's it going? So this video is just a quick unboxing of the mounting bush for the rear trailing arms. It's a number 3. So this is where it goes in the car, and this is what the bush looks like. This is the box that it comes in. It is the typical Powerflex packaging. It's not really relevant to this video, but I can tell you I'm not a huge fan of this packaging. Not a very nice thing to open at all. The plastics get under your nails. Anyway, let's just open it up. Comes in the box like so. This is what you get in the box. Obviously these are in 2 pieces, so you can actually fit them to the car. And then you've got the center piece that goes through them. So this will go in the middle like so. Opa. And then this goes like so. You put the bolt through the middle, and this is how they attach to the car. Bolts go either side. You get the 2, they're like steel, very, very high quality. You can see they're thick, super strong. And then you also get some lubricant, which you will put inside the bush here. You can see, if you can see in there, it's like a hex pattern. So you're just going to lube that up so the bush moves easily. So this is what you get in the bush, guys. Obviously they're symmetrical left to right. You get 4 pieces altogether, which makes up 2 bushes. And that's it, guys. I haven't covered the code yet. It's a PFR5-3608. It is a rear trailing arm bush for a BMW E36 and BMW E46. So if you're wondering what this looks like, how they come, this is what you get for the money. And like I said, the Black Series and the Road Series come with the same material, I expect, because this specific component is under a lot of stress when it's on the car. And as a quick side note, with the Powerflex, you can tell if the Black Series and the Road Series comes with the same compound because the prices will be the same. Usually the Black Series is more expensive than the Road Series, around 15-20% more expensive. But for the parts which have the same price, you know that the compound of the rubber is going to be the same for the Black Series and the Road Series. That's the video. As always, please vote on it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time.